Hello, I'm Brynn Hovatter, a student at the University of Delaware, currently working as a Cooperative Extension Scholar on the Delaware Fit Biz initiative. It has been found that most eating choices, specifically in the lunchrooms, trickle down to the way available food options are presented. Delaware Fit Biz is not just another Worksite wellness program, but a menu of health behavioral change strategies designed to create a culture of health within Delaware worksites. Through the implementation of policies, system, and environmental changes, or PSCs, supported by technical assistance, marketing, and coordinated educational programming, Delaware Fit Biz will ensure that the healthiest choice is the easiest choice for your employees.
The goal of this training is to teach you about the importance of marketing and accessibility in the lunchroom.
In today's training, we will focus on dining and menu guidelines.
Employees cannot make healthy choices unless those choices are available. The lunchroom trilemma explains that there's 3 different factors that contribute to healthy eating in the lunchroom. Number 1, nutrition. Number 2, participation in nutrition. And number 3, revenue and costs associated with healthy eating. All of which contributes to behavioral economics, a marketing strategy that encourages people to buy things that appeal to their eyes.
With that being said, here are some tips to promote nutrition in your worksite lunchroom. Some tips for serving fruit include putting fruit options at the beginning and/or end of the line. Make fruit an impulse buy. If whole fruit must be served, put them in an attractive bowl or basket by the register. Show fruit at an appropriate eye-level height to the customer. If grab-and-go bags are served, fruit should be included in the bag. Whole fruit should have no browning or bruising. Cut fruit up if possible. Serve in transparent portion cups. Mix up the colors of the fruit being offered. It creates an eye-catching experience for the consumer. Some tips for vegetables and salads include making sure that individual salads and/or salad bar is available. Salads should be placed in a high volume area on the serving line with other entree choices. If grab-and-go bags are offered, include veggie sides in the bags. Offer pre-made bags of vegetables, including baby carrots or celery. Some tips for milk include having white milk available in all coolers, replenishing the stock throughout all lunch periods so it's full and plentiful, choosing low-fat milk options such as 1% or fat-free milk. If flavor milk options are offered, put white milk in front of or at eye-level view to the consumer. Within the entree of the day, include a cooked vegetable as part of the meal. Add pictures and creative names for the salads offered on the given day. Replenish the stock of pre-made entree salads regularly. Make salads bright and colorful. Offer vegetarian options daily, even non-vegetarians like vegetarian options. Replenishing the serving line regularly, making sure pans are full and plentiful. Some other general techniques include add color, add seasonal decor, make healthy options at eye level, use appealing pictures as we eat with our eyes, offer healthy treat options such as smoothies or fruit slushies, and ask for feedback from your consumers.
It's important to make sure that the healthiest choice is the easiest choice.
Thank you for participating in the Worksite Wellness Lunchroom Training. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Cooperative Extension, where we'd be happy to help you, at www.udel.edu.